episode. Today, we're diving into something that's been on everyone's mind: AI. You know, all the buzz about new tools and models everywhere.
Yeah, but here's the thing. A lot of people use AI just to get quick answers or generate content, and then nothing really changes in how they work.
Exactly. It's like they're stuck at the surface, asking a question, getting a response, and moving on. But real work? It's messy, multi step, and needs context.
Right, and that's where AI engineering comes in. It's not just about using AI as a tool, but about building systems that turn AI into real, reliable results.
So instead of just getting a blog draft, AI engineering means creating a whole process, from topic ideas to publishing, that consistently delivers a finished, optimized article.
And it's about making AI work within real workflows, not just one off prompts. It's thinking plus systems plus AI all working together.
What's interesting is why this is happening now. Before, building AI meant creating models from scratch, super complex and slow.
But today, with big models ready to go and APIs available, the challenge isn't building AI anymore. It's using AI effectively to get real value.
That's a big shift, and it's different from related fields. AI research makes new models, machine learning engineering deploys them, prompt engineering crafts better prompts.
But AI engineering? It's about building end to end systems that solve real problems by combining all those pieces.
There are some core principles too, like starting with the outcome you want, not just what AI can do.
And remembering that good thinking leads to good prompts, which leads to good results. Plus, context is everything. AI works best in workflows, not single prompts.
Also, always evaluate the output and keep refining. AI generates, but humans decide. That's the think right pointing arrow. Ask right pointing arrow judge model.
So, if you want to start, just pick one daily task, break it into steps, use AI in each step, and then refine and repeat.
Simple, but powerful. The big takeaway: AI isn't just a tool or a source of answers. It's a system for achieving real outcomes.
Exactly. AI engineering is the discipline of turning AI into real world results. That's a shift worth embracing.
Thanks for listening. We'll explore more in future episodes.